What up guys, welcome back to the DMV channel. I'm Jeff Dixon and Isaiah's got the camera, and today we're gonna get our LS Swap Miata in primer. I think the lens is too bad for this. Let's get to work.
Put your hands together. Yeah. Put your hands together. Yeah.
It's our third lens. 11 episodes. Maybe this one will last. You may remember last week that we grafted this new quarter panel on. I think it turned out pretty good. This week we've got a little bit of body work to do over there. We've got an antenna hole to weld in. We've got, I think these are from some paintless dent repair. We got to weld these in, sand the whole car down, put it in primer, and then hopefully get that much closer to getting our LS in here. I like to find a washer that fits in holes like this, so when we weld up the antenna hole, we'll do the same thing. Washers, you can get them in various thickness. This is about the right thickness. And we'll use a magnet to hold it in there. And then we'll just start, we still have our 023 wire on. So we'll just start tacking that in. We'll let it cool. First, we're gonna grind it down and prep it, but I just wanted to show you a washer. Isaiah sanded about every panel he can with the electric DA and 80 grit. Now we're gonna hand sand, do all the little nooks and crannies, hopefully get this sucker in some primer. Come here, look at the camera. Show us your hands. Okay. So while Isaiah is sanding the jams and putting black dust all over his face, I'm gonna start working on this. I'm gonna try to move some of this metal back out from the inside. You can see it's dented here, but it's actually cut there. I'm going to try to avoid welding a brand new piece in because I think that'd be a real pain in the butt. And we're gonna wrap the car so it doesn't have to be perfect. So we're gonna dolly that out, get to work on that. We still have the old antenna hole to fill up, so we'll do that. But for now, I think we're moving along pretty good. I'm gonna get back to work. Well, I don't see any more pinholes. We're sure not gonna win any awards for that. It's pretty rough, but man, it's not too bad. And we're gonna be cutting some of this for wide body kit, if we ever get a wide body kit, and I hope that we do get a wide body kit. So anyway, that's about it. Little seam sealer on the back side, keep the water out. You know the routine. I'd normally just mount the washer flush, but I knew this was gonna warp and I was trying to keep that to a minimum. And it's not bad. It's gonna be a little bit of body filler, not much. But I'll be able to get to the back side and seam seal it so that there is no rust that builds up between the washer and the metal. And my overlap was less than a 1/16 all the way around. So I think it's a pretty good solution. Actually, I just didn't have a smaller washer, so it is what it is. All right, we're gonna keep sanding the nooks and crannies, keep prepping the car for primer, and eventually we will get this car in primer. All right, guys, it is Saturday morning. We spent all Friday afternoon and Friday evening sanding our little fingers to the bone. We are flat wore out. At least my hands are. Are yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we are going to set up, go over it one more time just to look for anything we missed, any shiny spots in the paint, any rock chips we missed, anything at all we missed. Gonna get it one more time, get this thing ready for primer. So, you know, I never know how to just say that's what we're gonna do. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna get to work. All right, we went over the car again. Now it's time to wipe it all down. So we're gonna get it wiped down. I'm gonna use mineral spirits. That's what I like to use when I'm spraying Rustoleum. It just seems to work out good. But we're gonna get the car absolutely clean of any dirt, grime, grease. We're gonna use mineral spirits to do it. Then we're gonna tape the car off, put it in plastic, and then get this thing ready to prime. Let's get to work. Okay, we've got the car all wiped down. Now it's time to get it taped off, get some plastic on it.
And I start to clap, 'cause I'm feeling good. My room is empty. All it has is a guitar and a snare drum. Bang on it. Is this life? I guess it's fine. For a while. I got little penguins on my socks, right? I got little ducks on my boxers. I'm essentially a man child. I don't think I'll ever change.
All right, we've got the car all taped up. I definitely need to watch some YouTube videos on how to tape a car because this is a pretty big failure, but it's gonna work. It's primer. We're gonna have to repaint the inside anyway. Honestly, we shouldn't be doing the outside right now, but it's more fun. So I definitely want to get the outside looking good, get the wheels and tires on it, get the motor on it, get it running, and then keep working on it. We want to do the fun stuff first. Might not make sense, but this is a fun project. This isn't a logical project. If we wanted something that was logical, we probably wouldn't be putting an LS in a Miata. All right, so I'm going to get to spraying. Isaiah's going to record it for you. Why'd you turn it off?
It was awkward. I don't think they want to see that.
I thought it was pretty good.
I am touching the stuff that makes me schizophrenic, but anyway.